Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So, in this video, we will add the buffer jump so that our player can store the jump input just for a millisecond, which will be zero point 0.2 seconds, and then it can jump to press jump in the time interval. So, first, we'll add some variables, which will be our this serialized field private float jump buffer time 0.2f and this private float jump buffer counter. So it remembers the jump button for a short time, which will be 0.2f. Now we will add the counter for our jump buffer time. So if jump uh, buffer counter is greater than 0, then jump buffer counter minus equals to time dot delta time. So it will reduce the counter of jump buffer counter. In the later part of the code, we will set it as 0.2f. So it will reduce it frame by frame. And now we will change the jump input. So here we won't be using jump rest now. So basically the work of our jump rest is it will store that we press the spacebar key. So later it puts the value in these codes that we pressed the spacebar. So we don't need that now. We will change it to jump buffer counter equals to jump buffer time. So our jump buffer counter will be 0.2 seconds, which will be involved here, and then it will reduce frame by frame. And now we will replace all of the jump trace variables. Okay, so here and here we can remove this part after we replace the jump trace with the jump buffer. It will be changed to jump buffer counter is greater than 0. So if our jump buffer counter value is greater than 0, then we can jump. This means that uh, if we press the jump buffer, we press the space bar and it store the value and it's still greater than 0.2, then we can jump. And we will remove this also, and this. counter will be 0. Okay, I guess there is no more jump paste remaining now. Let me check. Okay, there is no sign of that. Now we can remove this part because we are using jump buffer counter now. So we press our jump, then buffer starts for 0.2 seconds, and it tells our code, can we jump? If yes, then we jump. If no, then we keep waiting, and buffer expires, then input will be forgotten. Set the code. We go to Unity. For visualization, let me change this to 3 and 5. Now we will play a game. Okay. Here you can see I have pressed jump once. Uh, I will double press the key because so that we can double jump, and then I will press it thrice and then it can jump. Here you can see after landing on the ground, it jumps once again. So we have achieved the mission. Now we will change it to 0.2 seconds. Uh, okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys. Bye.